Welcome to Lesson 50.
Hello, come in. If you would like to undress, we can start the scan. If you become anxious during the scan, you can press the panic button. If people take a calmative before they go into the tunnel, they are often less stressed. If you take one, you will start to relax straight away.
It is all right, I do not suffer from claustrophobia. I had a scan when I hurt my back a few years ago. If I take a pill, I will be sleepy all day. If you can get some rest, I'm sure you will feel better.
Peter comes out from behind the screen and he lays down on the flat surface of the machine. The last thing John remembers is his wife coming in and greeting the doctor. He wakes up to see two nurses smiling. It is the first time someone has fallen asleep in the scanner. He says hello to the doctor. Is everything all right?
Is everything all right?
If I were you, I would be relieved. You have a small problem with your appendix. You appear to have swallowed a coin. You will have to have it out sooner rather than later. It is slightly inflamed.